By the end of this video, you will know how to set an invoice footer in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Use your usual login method and wait for the dashboard to finish loading. Once you are inside your account, look toward the navigation and find Settings. In Stripe, Settings is where account-wide billing and invoice preferences are managed, so this is where the footer option is stored. Click Settings, then go to the Billing section and open Invoices. This takes you to the area that controls how invoices are created and displayed. If your Stripe account has several billing options on the page, stay within Invoices so you are working with invoice-specific settings and not payment or subscription settings. After the Invoices page opens, make sure you are under the General tab. This tab contains the standard invoice setup options, including the section for invoice customization. Scroll down through the page until you reach the invoice customization settings. Depending on the layout of your dashboard, this section may be farther down than expected, so keep scrolling until you see the footer field. In that customization area, find a field labeled Default Footer or Invoice Footer. Stripe may use one label or the other depending on the version of the dashboard, but you are looking for the text box that controls what appears at the bottom of your invoices. This footer is commonly used for extra billing details, payment instructions, tax notes, or other information you want included on future invoices. Click into that footer field and enter the text you want to appear at the bottom of your invoices. Type the wording carefully, since this text will show up the same way on future invoices after you save it. Keep the message appropriate for invoice recipients and make sure the wording matches what you want your customers to see. Once the text is entered, review the footer before saving. Read through it for spelling, formatting, and any details that should appear exactly as written. This is the moment to confirm the footer says what you intend, because the saved version will become the default footer for invoices going forward. When the footer text looks correct, click Save. This applies the invoice footer to future invoices created in Stripe. If the page takes a moment to update, wait for the save to finish so the change is fully applied. After that, your new footer setting is in place under the invoice settings for your account. Your invoice footer is now saved in Stripe and will appear on future invoices.